Welcome to organic chemistry class with Chris. Now, today we talk about one important aspect of organic chemistry, which is called hydrocarbon. So this is going to be an introductory aspect of hydrocarbon, right? So we are going to have series video, video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 until we finish everything about hydrocarbon. So in this video here, we're going to look at what is hydrocarbon, right? You need to understand what is called hydrocarbon. Number 2, classification of what of hydrocarbon. How do you classify hydrocarbon? Number 3, the different families of what of hydrocarbon, the different series you have in hydrocarbon. We're going to look at what their members. Then we are going to look at what their functional group. Number 2, right? There are things you are going to look at in this video. So please make sure you stick to the end of this video so I can understand every single details when it comes to what hydrocarbon. So this is just an introductory aspect, right? In my other video, I'm going to take them one family before the other. Do you understand? So first of all, what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon, these are organic compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen only. So that's called hydrocarbon. So those organic compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen only is called what? They are called what? Hydrocarbon. The word hydro, look at the word hydrocarbon. Hydro means what? Hydrogen. Then carbon, this one means what? Carbon. This is what it came from. Do you understand? So any compound that contains only, no matter how bulky or how small it is, as long as it contains only carbon and hydrogen, it's called what? Hydrocarbon. Do you understand? Here we have about 4 families here. The first one, the families of hydrocarbon, families of hydrocarbon. The family of hydrocarbon, here we have what? The Alkanes. Right there. Here we have the word the Alkanes. Here we have what? The Alkenes. Here we have what? The Alkynes. And here we have what? Benzene what? Family. Benzene family. Just as it's called the aromatic. It's called aromatic. Aromatic. Right there. It's called aromatic. Just as, so there are things you need to know. Yeah. So in each of my video here under hydrocarbon, you're about to study one of them. I want to study them one afterwards the other here, right? So since you now understand what's called hydrocarbon, here, the next one to understand here, how do you classify hydrocarbon? The classification of hydrocarbon. So let's look at what classification of hydrocarbon. Classification of hydrocarbon. Do you understand? Classification of hydrocarbon. Classification of what? Hydrocarbon. Do you understand? Hydrocarbon can be divided into 2 main parts. When we talk about hydrocarbon here, hydrocarbon, right there, it can be divided into what? 2 main parts. So here we have what? The aliphatic hydrocarbon. The aliphatic. Right there, and here we have what? The aromatic. Do you understand? So you have the aliphatic and what? And the aromatic. Do you understand? Now, each of them can be subdivided, right? Now, if you should break it down here, each of them can also be divided here. We have called acyclic. Acyclic and what? They will call cyclic. This is that. Now, this one now because when we talk about acyclic here, acyclic means what? Open chain. Means what? Open chain. Open what? Chain. Why does it mean what? Close. Close what? Chain. Right there. In general, please look at something here. Now I've done an introductory video when it comes about organic chemistry, just an organic compounds, right? So in that video here, I explained what is organic compounds, classification of organic compound, because organic chemistry itself can be divided into 2 main parts. Just we have called acyclic and alicyclic. Just those alicyclic here, they also have what? The various classification. So now hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon is one aspect. So we are just focusing on hydrocarbon here. So because hydrocarbon have only two elements only, carbon and hydrogen, and it can be classified as either what aliphatic or aromatic. But each of them can either be what a cycle that is an open chain, that it is what it is open, while we have the cycle which is called closed chain, right? Yeah, yeah. If you look at this one here, let me write this place here. So if you look at this one here can be Alkanes, Alkanes. Just that you have what Alkynes, Alkenes, and here we have what Alkynes. This is that. So now they are open shape. For example, here we have this one here. Alkanes. Alkanes what CH3, CH2, 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 and what CH2 here. Example here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's called pentane. Here we have what pentane, right? Like for this one here, alkene. Here we have CH3, CH double bond, CH2, CH3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have two pentene. This is that. Then alkyne. Here we have CH3, C triple bond, CH2, CH2, and what CH3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have what two penta. Is okay. Now look at something here. I know that we want to our name on this here, right? I've done a complete playlist on nomenclature of the organic compound, right? Although we are still going to do it here, but I've done a complete video on what nomenclature of the organic compound. Now, if not that if you still have issues with organic chemistry, you don't know how to name organic compound, please kindly join my private online class. Just say you want only for what organic chemistry. Just and in less than 10 days, I will walk you through all the classes. Just I'll be walking you through all the classes, and it's going to be of great help to you, right? So the reason why they call acyclic, that is open chain, right, is for end to end, end to end, end to end. Do you understand? Now, when it comes to what, remember, you can see that alkane only have a single bond. Alkene have what a double bond, because here we have what alkane, here we have what alkene, and here we have what alkyne. Do you understand? These are things you need to pay close attention. Organic chemistry is very, very wide, so you need to take it step by step. Understand this here. So we went about acyclic. Guys, you're talking about open. You are talking about open. So can that be alkanes, alkenes, or what alkyne, right? Now, when we talk about cyclic, it's called closed. What cyclic? That is why you have cyclo compound. So can that be cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes, right? We have not seen cycloalkyne before. Like a cyclic compound that have what a triple bond. So yeah, you can see it like this as here we can have those cyclo compounds. I believe you have heard of cycloalkanes, like cyclohexane, cyclopentane, cyclooctane, and the rest, right? So they're called what cyclic compound or closed chain or what closed chain. Yeah. So let us look at this one here. You have cycloalkanes. Right there, you have cycloalkanes. Here we have what cycloalkenes. This that cycloalkenes here. Just that they now have cycloalkenes. So when we talk about classification, so let me explain this one for you. For example, you have something like this. So open, they're just open from end to end, they're open, right? So can either be a straight chain or you can have what a branch chain, right? I'm still going to show you how to name this one here. But if you know you need a private one-on-one, if you know that you need a private one-on-one class where I'm going to explain to you one-on-one, then join my private one-on-one class just for only what organic chemistry. Now, when you make your payments, then we will start the class, especially for those of you who will be writing the documentation and you still have issue with what organic chemistry. Now, because organic chemistry is about 40 or 30% of what your jam what questions, right? We also have the calculation aspects. If you also have issue with the calculation aspects, now I've also done a complete playlist on the calculation aspects, right? So that you can learn the two simultaneously. Just if you're calling for the two, I'm going to give you a discount. Hope you understand. So for those of you who really want to master what chemistry very well. Now uh we talk about cyclo. You're talking about something like this. Just that you're talking about something like this. You're talking about something like this. You're talking about something like this. Just that. So these are what cyclo what compound. This is called cyclopentane. It's called what cyclopentane. Here we are up because I'm in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. Yeah, it's called cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Why? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have cyclohexane. But here we are going to be cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. Just that cyclohexene because of this double here, right? So these are the classification. So aromatic are also divided. Just but when it comes to hydrocarbon, here you talk about aliphatic and what an aromatic, right? And hydrocarbon can either be closed or what's open. Just so these are things you need to understand when it comes to what carbon. So this is going to be the first video on hydrocarbon. Just so we also have they undergo their reaction. So that is going to be what the next class, right? If this video is helpful and if you understand so far, please leave at the comment section that you follow this class here. Thanks for watching. Our next class is going to be what we're going to take each of them. Alkanes, Alkynes. Just these are things you are going to look at. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.